The 2018-2021 Lincoln Navigator uses Ford's Intelligent Oil Life Monitor, or IOLM. This system tracks oil degradation based on factors like mileage, engine load, temperature, and time, rather than relying on fixed intervals. The IOLM calculates a percentage, starting at 100% for new oil, which decreases based on your driving conditions. Key factors that affect how quickly the oil degrades include mileage traveled, the load on the engine, operating temperature, and even the passage of time. Resetting the oil life indicator after an oil change is crucial. It ensures accurate monitoring, prevents premature service warnings, optimizes engine health by avoiding unnecessary maintenance, and maintains warranty compliance. Resetting acknowledges the oil change and restarts the monitoring cycle, keeping your vehicle's maintenance on track. The oil life reset is performed entirely through the vehicle's infotainment system. First, turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Using the steering wheel controls, navigate to the Settings menu on the instrument cluster display. Select Vehicle and then Oil Life Reset. Press and hold the OK button until the display confirms the reset is complete, showing 100% oil life. Alternatively, on models with a touchscreen, navigate to Vehicle Settings and follow similar prompts to find and reset the oil life. If successful, the system will display a confirmation message. If you encounter issues, consult your vehicle's manual or a certified mechanic. Note that the Ford Pass app does not support oil life resets for these models.